Good morning, girls. Here we are again for properties of ionic compound. As you know, when one metal like Na and one non-metal will react, metal have the tendency to lose electron, so it will form cation. Non-metal has the tendency to gain electrons, so it will form anion. Okay, so here sodium has donated one electron to chlorine and chloride ion form and sodium ion form, and in both sodium ion and chloride ion there will be electrostatic force of attraction. So when these compound, ionic compound, either NaCl, MgO, NaOH, HCl, they will dissolve in water, they will dissociate into their ions. So, aqueous solution of these ionic compounds, that will be good conductor of electricity. The same way, molten ionic compounds are also good conductor of electricity. These ionic compounds have high melting point and high boiling point. As strong force of electrostatic attraction, they will be rigid, they will be hard. Okay, generally they are water soluble. So these all are the very important properties of ionic compound. They will have the crystalline structure. It means they have perfect geometrical shape. Now let us continue with the metal extraction. Before starting metal extraction, I can say that metallurgy is a branch of science in which we have to do study that how metal is extracted from earth crust and how it is purified. So some basic terms used in extraction of metal we will do. The very first term, that is mineral. Minerals are the substance which are coming out by means of mining. It means आप गड्ढा खोदते हो और बहुत अंदर से अर्थ क्रस्ट से कुछ निकालते हो, that is known as mineral. Okay. So number 2 point, that is ore. Ores are the mineral from which we can extract metal profitably as well as easily. So all the ores are mineral, but all the minerals are not ore. The main important condition that by means of easiness and profitably we can determine the metal from the ore. Number 3 point, gangue and matrix. Both the terms are similar. Gangue oblique matrix. These are known as impurities present in ore. So, technical word gangue and matrix, and the word meaning is impurity. So, I can say that when from the earth crust matter is dug out, then some sand, clay or something will be coming out from earth along with metal, so that is known as impurities, known as gangue or matrix. Number 4 term, that is native state. Native state, it means like least reactive metal, gold, platinum, they are so inactive metal that they can appear in the natural state, or you can say that there will be no compound formation. Directly platinum or rhodium can be extracted from the metal. Combined state. metal at the top reactivity series like sodium, potassium, they are highly reactive. Even one cannot imagine that these metals will appear in the earth crust in native state. Always हमेशा आपको किस फॉर्म में मिलेंगी, कंपाउंड फॉर्म में, either oxide form, sulfide form or carbonate form or any other form in the earth crust because they are highly reactive. So they are formed in the earth crust as combined form. Now, various steps of metal extraction. Some more term will come in between, so we'll continue. Number one, through mining, metal can dug out. Okay. डिगिंग, गड्ढा खोदा, आपको मेटल मिल गया. क्या मिला आपको? मेटल ओर. नाउ और इतना बड़ा पीस दैट ढेर सारे इम्प्यूरिटीज, आप क्या करेंगे? मैनी ऑफ द इम्प्यूरिटीज कैन बी रिमूव्ड. सो दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ओर. Various method here. So much detail of concentration of ore. After concentration of ore, we will find concentrated metal ore. Means बड़े मेटल के पीस में आपको इतनी सी मेटल मिल रही थी, अब वो पीस इम्प्योरिटीज हटा दी, छोटा पीस बन गया और मेटल कितनी हो गई? इतनी हो गई. ओके, सो कंसंट्रेटेड ओर विल फॉर्म. Then it will go undergo reduction. What you will get after reduction? Metal. Then refining. What will happen? Purified metal you will get. So these are the some basic terms or basic flowchart for the extraction of metal. Okay, now we can continue.